Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the crisper track assembly in your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the assembly is broken or damaged, or because the drawers aren't sliding in like they should. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we're going to do is open both of our doors up. And now I'm going to take the drawers out, and those just slide straight out. And now we're going to take this shelf out carefully. This shelf is just a glass shelf, so we don't want to drop it or damage it in any way. Now we'll take out the middle shelf support. There we go. Now this piece right here in the middle is our crisper track assembly. In order to get that off of this shelf right here, there's a piece of plastic, and we're going to push in on that tab and then push the assembly up to get past the shelf. So just like that. And the same thing on the other side. On this side, the tab is actually on the shelf itself. So you're going to want to pull up on the shelf a little bit. Just be careful not to crack or break it. And then push the assembly straight out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement crisper track assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now to put this back in place, all we have to do is line up that long slot there with the long piece there. And this slot right here with these two tabs is where this longer part goes. That sits in there. And the other part on the bottom should slide straight in, and it'll snap into place. Now we'll put our shelf back into place. And you're going to want to make sure that the rounded end that has the cutout back here goes towards the back. And once you've got it in place, it should sit on both the supports on either end. And now we can put our glass shelf back into place. Just angling it because the doors are wide. And once you've got it in there, gently set it on the shelf, just like that. Now we're going to put our crisper drawers back in. And what you're going to want to do is just make sure the wheels on either side line up with the track there so it slides in nice and easy. Same thing on this side. I'm just lining up those wheels with the track. And you'll see right there it wasn't lined up, so it didn't go in. We'll try it again. And there we go. Now we can close our refrigerator doors. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.